All right, we went from essentially frosty weather in the northern part of our viewing area on Saturday morning to record-breaking heat today. Now, the last time Fargo and Grand Forks saw 90s was on July 15th of last summer. So we've waited 10 and one half months. 10 and a half months for 90-degree weather, and we smashed records today in the Fargo-Moorhead area. Now we're looking off to the east over Minnesota. You see this little shallow cumulus pancake type cloud out there. That's a thunderstorm that's developing over Becker County right now. We're keeping our eyes on that. Now, because of the heat of the day, we're seeing a little bit of activity festering up on the radar. After morning thunderstorms vacated, this is the Lone Ranger out here in Becker County as we take you in just a little bit closer. It's north of Detroit Lakes, heading toward the height of Land Lake area, mainly north of Highway 34. It's moving off to the east at about 25 miles per hour, and that one pink pixel there means it is capable of some hail. Now, our radar software here estimating the motion right towards the Highway 34 corridor and Park Rapids over the upcoming hour. So this cone extends or stretches out an hour, and each color changes 15 minutes. So you can read along with me when it'll be in your area. Right now, the maximum size hail right at or under an inch. And with the heat of the lower atmosphere, not likely it's going to be that large. 90 Roseau, 92 right now, Thief River Falls, and a degree better in Grand Forks. Today, Grand Forks, 94, new record high. Fargo, 96, new record high. Sisseton, 94, at a new record high today. Temperatures in Fargo warmer than Frisco, warmer than San Antonio, and the heat is on. Here's a look at our current readings. Out at Hector, it's 95, feels like 97. Saw a lot of snapshots of people's car thermometers and others. 97 in Moorhead. It's a sizzler out there, folks. It's 87 in Jamestown and 86 in Badette. Here's your forecast. Isolated thunder showers tonight. I don't expect widespread severe, to be honest with you. The air at the surface fairly dry. As we go through the overnight hours, though, the clouds move in from the west, and our western counties will have a chance at some morning thunderstorms. So from daybreak through around 11 to 12 o'clock and midday hours, we could see some storms rumbling. The ones along the South Dakota border could have some hail, and we'll keep our eyes on that. The ones up north associated with a cold front that'll be pushing in. This is going to keep our Devil's Lake Basin neighbors in cooler air throughout the day. Your temperatures peaking in the 80s and maybe even upper 70s up in Towner County. In the afternoon, isolated thunderstorms are possible, with the warmest weather tomorrow shifting south, and it will not be as warm as today, so everyone will be cooler. And by the evening, the cool front pushes through, and we'll all have cooler weather as we glide into midweek. Fargo, 62 to start the day. In the morning half of the day, we could see a few thunder showers, mainly south of us. I don't think we'll see any in Fargo. 83 for our afternoon, and it does look like temperatures will peak in the mid-80s as opposed to mid-90s. That will be significantly cooler. Here is a look at your hometown forecast. 70s in the Devil's Lake Basin and in Beltrami County and northwest Minnesota as well. The rest of us peaking near 80 degrees. How about this glassy water shot? Renita, thanks so much for taking the time to upload your photo at valleynewslive.com. We see so many wonderful photos. Thanks to all of you. Cooler still on Wednesday. Most areas in the 70s, Fargo making it to 82. Breezy on Thursday, cooler Friday. The best chance of thunder will be next week. Even though we could see, Mike, isolated thunderstorms each and every day, it looks like more organized precipitation on the way for the weekend.
So hot today. Amazing.
Amazing heat, yes.
All right, thanks.